part 2. So it will be a little bit loud in the background because we just had tea and now we need to pack it away. And it's so nice, the colour. I actually love it because it's like so green and my favourite colour is green. So yeah, it's just so nice. I love the colour. It's not even got that much blue in it and it looks so nice. No, I ruined my yellow slime. Or did I? No, I didn't. Okay. So the color is so nice. So now I'm just gonna add the rest of this one in, and I got a new one as well. I have one more in there, and this is a full one. Okay. Stop falling. Okay, that's better. See, look, that's full to the top. So, let's just see what that does for now. Because for this one, it took quite a lot of activator to set in. I think it's because of the paint. But it does, I think it's just because I'm not patient. That's got something in. Okay. So, I'm not patient at all. So if anything involves waiting, I need to do something else. So let's put this in and see what that does. I think I'll put another one in though. I absolutely hate waiting for anything. Even if it's just for 5 minutes. Okay, so that's looking pretty good.